Namaste and welcome to Earnings Corner, where we will decode quarterly results of leading IT companies. Today we will be analyzing the Q4 and FY24 results of Accenture, which were announced on 26 September 2024. Some of the recurring themes from the past few quarterly earnings calls from Accenture were: macro is kind of same. Environment has been cautious, we'll really know IT spending and spending on our services in the budgets in January and February. Net it was a continuation of the same themes this time too. Headlines: Earnings report for Q4 FY24. Revenues of $16.4 billion, an increase of 3% in US dollars year on year. New bookings of $20.1 billion. Generative AI new bookings of $1 billion. For FY 2025, ACN expects revenue growth of 3% to 6%. On a quarter-on-quarter basis we see a decline. However, the 3% growth is seen on a year-on-year basis. When analyzed from a services perspective, the shift from a consulting lead to a managed services-led revenue is a profound shift for ACN. Basically, Accenture is seeing a dip in consulting-type discretionary spends by clients and more balanced growth of end-to-end digital transformation. This is a huge challenge for Indian IT companies. For the full fiscal year, Accenture had $3 billion in new GenAI bookings, including $1 billion in Q4. Realized revenues of $900 million for full fiscal indicated GenAI is here to stay. From a geo perspective, Americas has started seeing growth, whereas Europe and growth markets have posted slight declines. The recent cut in interest rates might fuel growth engine slowly in long run. When looked from a vertical point of view, healthcare and products top the contribution. Accenture is seeing a turnaround in communications. BFS hasn't seen a real pickup. Public service and industrial in North America. Public service and life sciences in Europe led the growth. Not much talk of BFS though outgrowing. So what's the FY25 outlook? For the first quarter of fiscal 2025, Accenture expects an estimated 2% to 6% growth in local currency. For the full fiscal 2025 it expects revenue to be in the range of 3% to 6% growth in local currency over fiscal 2024. 3% reflects the current level of growth as is and 6% factors in discretionary spends at upper end. In summary, for Accenture, muted growth up unit Jan-Feb 2025. GenAI is definitely a technology evolution to watch out for. Accenture is investing in data and GenAI capabilities and equates it to the digital adoption seen in the past. No major earnings upgrades expected from Accenture. For Indian IT companies, Q2 and Q3 FY25 might be muted growth. Would be interesting to see how they navigate the challenges on managed services front. I hope you liked watching this edition of Earnings Call. Please like and subscribe and share any views in comments. Thank you.